Do you feel diets keep failing you time and time again? In this video, I will cover my top 3 strategies for weight loss without the diets. Hit the thumbs up button if you feel diets don't work. If you find yourself clearing a box of crackers, a bag of chips, or a jar of cookies without any thought or recollection while you're watching a Netflix movie, you're probably doing mindless or emotional eating. So what you might not realize is that the problem might not exactly be what and how much you're eating, but how you're eating. Being mindful means being present in the moment. That means no multitasking, no eating on the go, and no distractions when eating, like watching a movie or being distracted by what's on your phone or your tablet. People often eat without thinking and mindlessly shove food into their mouths without tasting or enjoying it. What's worse is sometimes we don't remember what we actually ate. So then, how can you manage your weight if you don't exactly know what you've eaten? These are eating behaviors that have now become habits and are often unconscious. If any of this sounds familiar to you, don't worry because you're not alone. The good news is that with my 3 strategies and a little bit of practice, you'll be able to manage how much you eat. Now let's dig into my first strategy, which is being fully present when eating. Now, what does this mean? It means paying full attention to your meal or snack without any distractions. It means listening to your body closely. Are you eating because you're actually hungry? Or are you eating because you're stressed, depressed, anxious, or bored? If you're not hungry and you're eating for other reasons, food won't fix it. And all you'll be doing is eating calories your body just doesn't need. So the next time you feel like eating, stop. Take a moment to recognize why you are eating. This will help you decide if you need to continue eating or whether you should be doing something else. Now, my second strategy to help you keep off the weight without the diets is fully engaging your senses when you're eating. Now, what does this mean? It means paying attention to the flavors, the textures, the smells of the foods you're about to eat. This will actually help you eat less. A recent study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that participants ate 9% less soup when it smelled strongly compared to a weaker scent. Another study showed that people that were served food on a monochromatic plate, like fettuccine alfredo on a white plate, ate 22% more food than people that were served on a more visually appealing plate with more contrast and color. So, just by swapping out your white dinnerware for more colorful dishes can help you eat less and help you break free from mindless eating and weight gain. Now, my third and last strategy to help you lose weight without the diets, and one of the most powerful tips that I have, is slowing down your eating, people. Eating quickly has absolutely everything to do with how much you're eating. And if you're eating too much, you know you're not losing, but you're gaining weight. Consider a study in children that showed that 60% of children who ate quickly also overate. They consumed extra calories just because they were eating quickly and for no other reason at all. The fast eaters were also 3 times more likely to be overweight compared to those who were eating slowly. This is very powerful, and the reason behind it has to do with your brain. It takes your brain 20 minutes to register satiety. That means that if you eat a large quantity of food in under 20 minutes, your body doesn't sense fullness until the 21st minute, where the urge to eat is shut off. Eating slowly increases the level of your fullness hormones, which helps you feel more satisfied and decreases your overall caloric intake. Now, because this is so important, here are 3 quick tips to get you eating slower. My first tip, consider putting your fork down between every bite. This will allow you to eat less and enjoy your food more. Hit the like button if you feel you can do this. My second quick tip is to avoid getting hungry between meals. You can't control your body when it's beyond the point of hunger, and you will inevitably overeat. My third quick tip is to chew your food thoroughly. Aim to chew each mouthful of food for at least 25 times. This will help tell your body when it's full and you will stop eating. So remember, you don't need a diet to lose weight. What you need is to pay attention to your food. Eat when you're hungry, stop when you're full, and recognize when you're eating out of boredom, stress, or anxiety. These are not calories your body needs. Take the time to smell, savor, and feel the textures of food in your mouth. This way, you'll end up eating less and enjoying the food more. And don't forget to slow down your eating. This is a big one. This can definitely affect the amount of food you're eating in any one sitting. Now, if you want to learn more on how to eat less without the diets, read the full blog on my website. The link is in the description below. And please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more great content like this. Do it. You won't regret it.